Hey everyone, my name's Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working on a Dell Chromebook 3100, also known as a P29T. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. So we have 3 screws on this side, 3 screws on that side, 1 in the middle up here, and these 2 in the center. One quick general computer repair side note, guys. Whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all the tools and supplies, as well as those replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. After you've taken your screws up, you're going to take a small flat pry tool. You're going to go across the seam of the computer all the way around and pry it up from the rest of the computer. So far I can see 3 screws in the battery right here, and it plugs into the motherboard right there. Now to unplug it, as goes for any wires or cables in a computer, we try not to pull on the wires themselves. They can be damaged, and sometimes they even pull right out of the plug. So I'm going to take a small flat plastic pry tool. I'm going to wiggle that out from one side to the next and unplug it that way. Now after unscrewing the battery, there's a little resistance here. There's some double-sided tape under here. Also, if you see this tab, double-sided tape under there. So just very gently, you can peel that up. This battery is a 42 watt-hour battery, 11.4 volts, and that's the part number you need right there. I will have all that information below in the description if you need it, but I will also try to have a replacement battery for you in that link I told you about with all of the tools, supplies, and replacement parts for this model computer. The last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you're here because your computer is not turning on, it could be a bad battery. You may have to replace it, but keep in mind that most laptop style computers should still turn on and work, even with a bad battery, as long as the charger's plugged in. If you need help troubleshooting why your computer is not turning on, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and that will be the full troubleshooting process I use in my shop to find out why a computer is not turning on and how to fix it. That's the video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and share if it was, if you think it can help someone else. And please feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer tutorials or if you want to keep me on hand to answer any further questions. On that note, if you do need to leave me a question or comment, I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least, although checking the FAQs in the description could save you some time and get you a faster answer. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.